Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to do a really short video on how to replace the rollers on your garage door. There are tons of videos out there on this, and I see a lot of different ways that you can do this, taking off the hinges and disassembling your door, lots of things like that. So I'm going to do the simplest way I found out how to do this. All you need to do this is a Sharpie, a pair of channel locks, and something to take out a couple of wood screws. Now I'm going to replace these old ones here. I've already done one side, and these are just the old crappy ones that come in the door. And these are the really nice Duralift, the Titan series. They got the nice ZZ bearing in them. They're super smooth, and we're going to get this done. And this is, my best time on this is 4 minutes and 56 seconds per side of the garage door. So this goes really fast. I'm going to show you a couple little tricks here, and we're going to get this done in a hurry. Okay, the first thing you want to do is on the side of your garage door track, you've got a couple brackets that hold the track to the wall. And you're going to take those two wood screws out, and don't worry about it, the track's not going to go anywhere. And if you notice, there's slots in these brackets here, so putting them back in is important. You want to get them back into the same place. So what I generally do is I take a Sharpie and I just mark. There's a hole right there. Just mark that where it is, and then mark this one here where it is. That way when you tighten it back up, you can just look for that dot and get it all lined up. So now we're going to take a drill and we're going to take those two wood screws out. Now that you got those screws out, you'll be able to move this track around a little bit, and we'll show you how that works in a minute. But right now, we're going to go up to the upper part of the door. And with the door fully open, you've got your first roller, your second roller, and your third roller. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a pair of channel locks, and we're going to grab that track between the second and third roller, and we're going to bend it out of the way. We're just going to reach up over the top, hook that track, and bend it a little bit, and push this up, and set those rollers up on top like that. And that's all you need to do for those two. And now while they're sitting up on top, one at a time, you take that old roller out, put that one in, take that old roller out, that one in, take your track, flex it back, and drop those two in. Those two are done. Now what you want to do is go back and lower your door a little bit until you can get to the first and second rollers. Okay, now that you've got those rollers right about where you took those brackets out, what you want to do is you want to flex this track and push this door back and pull these back this way. Now this will have a tendency to want to fold up because it is under the spring cord pressure here, but it's real easy. Now take this roller out, put this one in. Now you want to make sure this cable is behind the wheel. Don't get this cable out in front. You're going to have problems when you try to put it back. Bottom one, simple enough. Pull it out, push it in. Flex that back in. Get that track back in there. Just like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open your door just a little bit more to get this last roller up here, back where you can flex that track and get it out. Now this last one's a little bit tricky because when you go to push up on this, it may want to take the second roller with it, which is not a big deal. You've already got that one swapped out. So grab that track again, channel locks, lift that up, see the second one has come up and my phone's ringing. We're going to mute that real quick. I'm going to pull this out, push this back in, put the new roller in, flex that track back down, make sure they kind of go in there, kind of go in, make sure they go in. And there you go. That is it. Now the last thing you got to do is come back over here. Sorry about the camera movements, folks. I'm trying to do this by myself. Put those screws back in. And put those, line those dots back up where you made those marks. And that is it. Let's check this out. Let's take this off the tripod here. And come back over here. That is it. Rollers are done. Hope you got some use out of this video. Thanks for watching.